Most people get this wrong, and assume there is a direct button that sends gift card money straight into your bank account. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, you cannot transfer a gift card balance directly to a bank account like a normal bank transfer. But there are still real methods people use in 2026 to turn gift card value into cash, safely and legally. In this video, you'll learn exactly how it works, what actually succeeds, and the step-by-step methods people use when they need to move gift card money into their bank account. Let's start with the basic reality. Visa, MasterCard, and store gift cards are not designed for direct bank transfers. They are closed-loop or semi-open-loop systems. That means they only work inside certain payment networks. But here's the important part. You can still convert them indirectly. Now here's the first method people try. They use the gift card to pay themselves through payment apps or peer-to-peer platforms. For example, some users try linking a prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift card to apps like Cash App or PayPal. If it gets accepted, they send money to their own bank account. But here's the problem. Most gift cards fail linking because they are not registered with a billing zip code or are restricted by the issuer. So what works more reliably? This is where it gets interesting. The second method is converting the gift card into a reloadable financial product. Some people use their gift card to purchase a prepaid debit card that supports bank withdrawals. Once the new card is active, it can sometimes be linked to a bank account or used for ATM withdrawals, depending on the provider rules. Now let's talk about the most common working method in 2026. The third method is resale or exchange. You use trusted gift card exchange platforms where you sell your gift card balance for cash. Once sold, the cash is deposited into your bank account through direct transfer, PayPal, or similar payout methods. This is often the most straightforward option when direct linking fails. But be careful here. Not all platforms are safe. Always use well-known services with verified payouts to avoid scams or frozen funds. Also remember, store gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, or Apple cannot be linked anywhere. They must be converted through resale or spending routes first. So here is the simple breakdown. Direct transfer to bank does not exist. But you can still convert gift cards using linking attempts, prepaid card conversion, or resale platforms that pay out to your bank. If you found this helpful, hit like, comment your situation, and subscribe for more clear guides that save you time and money in 2026.